Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through my deep conditioning process. I use a couple different things. I typically, though, at least once a week, try to use Olaplex #3. So a lot of you have probably heard about Olaplex. It's an additive that stylists will put in their lighteners or hair colors to protect the bonds in your hair and kind of keep them intact and rebuild them while they're doing color services or treatments that can break down those bonds. So #3 is an at-home treatment that you take home for yourself that you can do at home in between color services to maintain the health of your hair and kind of continue to build on to the Olaplex that your stylist put in the products when they colored your hair and things like that. So my hair was super dirty because it's been 4 days since I've washed it, which is usual for me. Don't worry, I still shower every day. So typically I wouldn't shampoo it before I do this, and it's not necessarily necessary, but I did shampoo it today just to get it a little prepped, because anyways, you do have to do it on towel dried hair. So obviously my hair is towel drying right now, looking lovely and tangly. So you want to make sure that it is nice and towel dried and that all that extra moisture is soaked up so that it's not dripping. You don't want your hair sopping wet. Now that my hair is towel dried, I'm going to take my Olaplex #3, open it, obviously, squeeze some into my hand. I always start with about this much, which looks like a lot, but my hair is super thick and super porous. So I'm going to start on the ends, running through the ends, and my hair literally already soaked it all up. The nice thing about doing it on your hair when it's wet, though, is that the product spreads a lot easier, which is something hairstylists know, obviously, but not people who aren't hairstylists usually. So I added more to my hands, and I'm going to rake through my hair, starting at the top, because you want to make sure you get the roots too. Even though it's a conditioner, and you think it's going to weigh you down and make you greasy, I swear this product will not do that. So you want to really thoroughly saturate the hair and keep adding more as needed. I know it seems like you might use a lot, but I tend to overuse deep conditioners anyways, so. All right, so that should be good. So you just want to run it through your hair, make sure each piece is saturated so it can really get in there and do its job. All right, so now we are going to loosely tie it up, or if you have a shower cap of any sort, go ahead and throw that on. I'm actually probably going to run errands like this because why not? Sometimes I throw it in my hair. You have to leave it in for at least 30 minutes, I believe. Oh, minimum of 10 minutes. I always go by minimum of 30. I try to keep all my masks in as long as possible. It's not going to do anything if you prolong the time. If anything, it's going to give it more time to penetrate, but it'll also do the job in minimum of 10 minutes because that's what it says. After this is fully processed, and again, minimum of 10 minutes, that's all you need. If that's all you've got, perfect. But after it's done processing, you're going to hop in the shower, or I guess shampoo bowl, and shampoo it. Well, first you'll rinse it out. Shampoo it, then conditioner as usual, and then let it air dry or style your hair whenever you're done. And I trust me, you will really notice a difference. Accessible to anyone, don't have to be a hairstylist. Ask your hairstylist about it. They probably carry it, or they can get it for you if you don't know where to get it on your own. So that is how you do the Olaplex #3 treatment. If you have any more questions, leave a comment below. And if you want any more product reviews, anything like that, any more step-by-steps on specific products, let me know. I also use the Moroccan oil reparative mask, so I will walk you guys through that another day as well.